Hello guys, welcome to this Oracle Weblogic Administration Essential series. In this, we have covered about installation of different kind of installations like silent mode and how to do it from console, how to do it from GUI, and how to create domains, how to set environment variables, how to create managed servers and clusters, and how to develop and deploy an war application in our last session. Okay. In this, I'm just going to cover about how to create an ER file and how to deploy the same to Oracle Weblogic application server. Okay, so this is pretty much simple, but I would like to do this in this particular essential sessions. I would like to cover this. Okay, I'm just going to create three war application, and I'm going to put everything inside an ER app, and I'm finally going to push my ER inside my application container. Okay, with Weblogic. So I'm just going to create a dynamic project. I'm just going to name it as a green app. Okay. So I'm just going to call it as a green app. I'm just going to finish. Okay. That's it. I'm just going to create two more apps with name of orange app and another one is something red app. Okay. So once I'm done with creating all this, I'm just going to push it inside an ER. You can just say it in Eclipse. Eclipse will provide all those features to encrypt wars inside an ER. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys, just forgive me because my system is a bit slow due to so many processes running. Okay. So green app. The next one is, I'm just going to call it as an orange app. Probably this is, I'm going to call it as a red app. That's it. So we're done with creating this war projects, means dynamic web projects, but we need to create something inside of it because by default there will be nothing inside the web content. So I'm just going to create an index.html file. So that's it. Just going to give finish. So give something here. I'm just going to give it the project name. So it's red app. Hello guys, welcome to the world of development. Welcome guys. So that's it. I'm just going to make make a differentiate about this. I'm just going to apply a BG color. So I'm just going to apply something red. Okay, just going to copy it over. I'm just going to put this file in my remaining apps. Okay, I'm just going to put it. So this is orange, right? So change it to orange. Orange. Okay. So this green, right? So green. So green. That's it. We done with our war. Just plain simple war files. I'm just going to create an ER project now. What I have to do is you have to click on Enterprise Application Project. Once done that, it will ask for an application name. I'm just going to give it as a color app and just click on next. So I want all these three to be added as in Java EE model dependencies, and I also want application.xml file, which is a mandatory deployment descriptors for ER. And one more thing would be generated if you are using Weblogic, which is Weblogic application.xml. Okay, just give finish. We'll just see in a while what is the content inside color app ER. Okay, once you click on this, what will happen is it will have an ER content. Inside that, it will find this application.xml file which holds all the models. Okay, for example, this is one model, which is a web model. This is one another web model. This is one another web model. So by default, given a context for this, which is a default application name, and it created var and it named it. Okay, so ID done everything for us. The only job for us is we need to deploy this to our application server. So just click new, click on server, and that's it. Just give finish. So it's publishing the project. Just wait for a while. I think it started and synchronized. Now I think we can verify all those things in our browser. So localhost 7001, right? So 7001 / it's color app, right? By default, color app will not hold anything, right? Because there is no index.html. So you need to give all your applications name. Okay, so I just need to give green app. It should work. Okay, so that's it. So you got a green app. So the next one is red app, right? So you can just verify that. So another one is orange app, right? So you can just verify even that. Oh, that's cool, right? So it just developed it, but we need to deploy this to the application server, right? That's the primary job for administrators, right? So we'll just deploy it to our remote Linux server. Just wait for a while. I'm just starting up my virtual machine. Okay, guys, I just started up the server now. Now I think we can go ahead and we can export the ER and we can just proceed with our deployments. Okay, so just to export the ER, I'm just going to just export it to my desktop. Sorry guys, seriously forgive me. System is really very slow today. I think there is some issue with my system. Just forgive me. I'm just saving the ER in my desktop so that I can just upload it while I'm just deploying. Okay, so now you can go to the administration console and go to the deployments. We already deployed an application, but this is deployed. We can delete probably this, which is not used as by anymore. So just go to install, just like what we done for var. Just select to upload your files link available. Okay, just click on this, just choose your file, whatever from Windows or whatever it is, or remote machine it is. Okay, just give next, and we deploy this as an application, not as a library or something. We will see about how to do a library deployment, when to use a library deployment next, probably in the forthcoming videos. But this thing you need to install as an application only, not as a library or something. Okay. So actually, I didn't bring up any of my managed servers due to my memory issues, my local machine. So I'm just going to deploy this only to the administration server, but which is not recommended in the real-time practice. But as this is only for a demo, I'm just proceeding with the defaults and just giving finish. Okay. Now you can, once it has become active, you can go ahead and you can verify your applications deployed to it. Okay, you can access the URLs even from the console. Just give a minute. I think it's done. You can just go to the testing. If it is inactive, then you will find the URLs, right? So you got your applications over here. You can just expand this and you can see it. Okay, so this is our app, and you can go to Orange, and this is our second app, and this is our third app. Okay, you can just get the URLs from here. I click on twice. Okay, so you got a green app. The remaining things are loading due to this slowness issue, I think. You can just check it. So you got the red app, you got the orange app. Okay, so that's it. That's how you'll be deploying an ER application to this, and you can find the even deployment status. And if you expand your ER, so ER symbol would be something like this, and you can find it the type over here. So this is an enterprise application, and you can find the states over here in the Weblogic administration console, which consists of 3 models, which all type of web applications, and the name of it is, there are no EJBs, there are no web services, so it will display any. Otherwise you can do everything here, and you can go to the monitoring and you can check how many active servers count totally we have. Okay, those things you can verify. Okay guys, that's it from me for this session. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching patiently. Okay, see you in the next session. Bye bye.